Hey everyone, my crochet cats, my nitty kitties, and my yarnaholics. My name is Alyssa and welcome to Queen Bee Crochet. So today I just wanted to stop by. As you could tell, I am not home. I'm at a friend's house and I'll introduce her in just a minute. But before I got to that, I have notes today. I know you guys like my on-the-fly things, but this is actually from Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. She got me, it was included in my little winnings from her channel, so thank you, Darla. I also wanted to mention Linda, because Linda from Linda's Crochet Nook is the one that really helps me, or told me to make sure I write everything down so I don't forget it. Ursula for your support from OMGrannySquares, and Melissa from Melissa Crochets with Love. She has been tremendous in helping me with a lot of things, and Angela, unbelievable. So Ursula, really quick, I wanted to mention Ursula. If you haven't seen Ursula's channel, go over there. You're gonna want to see her beautiful, oh my gosh, it is a gorgeous Count Your Blessings shawl. I cannot wait to make it. You'll see that on her channel. Angela just put up her shopping trip stateside. She went to Hobby Lobby for the first time, and I heard she cried. So I kind of cried when I walked in there the first time too, and it took me everything not to buy everything in sight, so it was a little crazy. As I mentioned, Melissa Crochets with Love has been a sweetheart and a huge support in this process too, making me feel loved and making me feel. You don't have to close those because I'm going to eat them soon. I'm going to explain who that is in just a moment. But Melissa and Veronica from Verona Steele's, Verona Steele with Steele's Crochet and Chefs. I want to make sure I say it right. You want to hop over there to either one of their channels, because what they are doing is they are doing something brand new for the new year. They have these calendars that they picked up at the Dollar Tree, and every month you pick the picture on there, and you get to you actually get to pick one of the colors in the picture, match it up, and create something. And I thought that was such a great idea. You're going to want to watch their videos. They will, there is now, because of them, there is a national calendar shortage at the Dollar Tree. So anyway, because I went to three Dollar Trees today and could not find this calendar, and I just think they're that popular that that's what happened. Anyway, so they have that calendar challenge that is going to be going on for the new year starting in January. There is also I wanted to mention Veronica because she makes the most incredible crochet hooks, and I want one. I'm going to have her, I have a special request, Veronica, if you're watching this. Everybody calls her V. So V, I have a special request. I want one with a crown on top with the, and I know you put those little loops for the stitch markers, so I want a little bee hanging off of it. That was what I want. That's what I want. Hopefully you'll make it for me. And I just became a member of Veronica's channel today, so I'm excited about that. Excited to be able to support her. So last video, I told you guys about my stitch markers, and I told you that I just started creating stitch markers because I had seen someone's video, or I had seen someone talking about it and said, oh, I can do that, and started creating them because I used to make jewelry. Well, V was that person. It didn't hit me until I was driving today and watching her that it was when I was driving and watching her, because I heard her voice, but I don't really watch, okay? I sort of glance down, but I don't watch because I'm driving. So I was watching someone else, and it kind of went right into her stitch marker video, and because it just goes on to videos and videos and videos if I'm not watching anybody live. And that is where I saw it. So I wanted to give her credit for actually sparking my creative juices and making the stitch markers. So that is all because of V. But it didn't hit me until today when I was watching her, sort of listening to her live. So, so that's all of my stuff that I have to introduce today, but I wanted to introduce you to someone special, and she just happens to live right across the street from me, and you've heard me talk about her before on some of my videos. You've seen some of her makes, because not only is she a chef, and not only is she a baker, but she also keeps me fed. But she also, it'll be the worst day. I will have the worst day. I will be driving all day long. I will have the hardest day. And she's like, oh, just so you know, why don't you pop over? I have a big thing. I just made a big thing of soup. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it couldn't have come at a better time. Every single time. She really supports me and helps me. And she is one of my very best friends. And so this is Miss Joanna, and I'm going to introduce you to her, and then I'm going to show you what she has on her table, because I'm actually at her house today. So I hope you are enjoying yourself, but I wanted to introduce you. This is Joanna. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi, how are you?
So I wanted to show you, and I'm going to stop the video here and then restart it, because you guys know I am not good at editing. And then I'm just going to put this on the table so you can see what she made just today and, you know, over the past week. And she'll point out different, you're going to have to open that thing because you're going to have to show everybody.
That's an order.
Oh, that's an order, so she can't. But we'll open my dish. How's that? And we'll show everybody what she made for the Christmas season. And so here, without further ado. So guys, as you can tell, I have my yarn bag here because I always bring it to Joanna's no matter where I go. But Joanna, I have a little present. That's her husband, Ray. Hi, Ray. There's Ray. And here's the dogs. One dog. Okay, so Joanna, I wanted to give you your present, your Christmas present. And I'm going to just see if you like them.
Oh, they're beautiful. Thank you. You know me so well.
All right, you can show everybody. So she got a couple stitch markers. It's not focusing. There we go.
Because I don't have any.
And so you don't?
Mm-mm.
Well, there's the first time for everything.
I know. Thank you so much.
And there we go. And
Thank
so
you.
Those are made with glass beads too.
They're so pretty.
So I just, if you can show people what you've made, let me get my iPad stuff off of here.
Well,
There's the cat.
Muffin.
I
do a lot of cookie trays, and unfortunately they're all wrapped now. But this season I tried some different ethnic cookies, and one of them they're called mamouls, and they're Lebanese, and they're filled with dates. And then I made some Brazilian candies, but I did 22 different kind of cookies.
Oh my goodness.
And I did about 25 trays.
That's
so
wonderful.
But I also crochet and paint and do all that stuff. And Melissa and I have become very close. She's like a daughter. And she could be my daughter.
Yeah, we kind of look alike.
Well,
too.
I know. I mean, age-wise, I could be your mama.
Oh, stop.
But I love my stitch. And she also got me this. Isn't this beautiful? Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous?
I gave her that. It's got just some pants. Did you see the other side? It has a spider plant on it.
Mm-hmm.
It does
So
have a
let's
spider
see, you
plant.
know, like she knows how much I love flowers.
Yeah.
Got some little
look
ones
at
on it
that.
too.
Yeah, it does. It
That,
does. So let's go through some of these cookies, shall we?
okay, these I just did. My husband came home before and he said to me, do you have any anise cookies? And a lot of people don't like anise. I happen to like them. He likes them. But I didn't have enough for this elderly gentleman and his wife. So I told him, if you can find me anise oil, I'll make them. So I made those today, which are these. And then these cookies are actually made with pie crust.
Hold on.
So,
Okay, guys, I'm hoping the video is still good the way it was, but go ahead. So you made these with pie crust?
yeah, these are actually pie crust. If you're in a pinch, go out and buy yourself some of those rolled pie crusts, okay? They're circular. Put some cinnamon down, some butter down, some sugar down, and cut them in triangles and roll them, and you've got some easy cookies. And believe me, they're really tasty. You can use raspberry jam, anything. These are cream cheese cookies that I did today, and now I'm done. I am completely done.
Do you promise?
I promise, but tomorrow I'm making fresh rolls for my husband for Christmas because I can't say no to him.
I like your sweatshirt, by
Yeah.
the way.
Oh, thank you. Do you like that? Baby, it's
Yeah.
cold outside.
I do.
That's a hint for him. Baby, it's cold outside. So then he pumps the heat up in the house to about 90.
Of course, of course.
And,
So I know you guys, I showed you, I hope I'm not making you too dizzy with this, but I showed you some of these, and I think one of my favorites, and I have to see if I can get it here. Let me see. Oh, there he is. There is the melted snowman. Let me see if I can kind of move this over. There's the melted snowman. He's one of my favorites. Yeah, there we go. Let's see. Yeah, see, he's one of my favorite sugar cookies that she has in there. And she's got so many other beautiful cookies in here. She also makes chocolate bombs. You saw her cake pops. She makes cake
Here's your
pops.
favorite cookie.
Oh, yes.
Look at the almond.
The almond.
No
and you
flour.
guys saw that before, too. Because we filmed last time with my girlfriend, and she can't have gluten. So, of course, Joanna has to go and make cookies for her. So I really hope you guys enjoyed yourself today with me and Joanna. I'm going to sit down and have some coffee and cookies, maybe some wine.
I have horchata.
Rum chata. Bye, guys. So one more thing before I leave you. Please don't forget to visit my friends and see them. Check out Veronica's Verona Steele at Steele's Crochet and Chefs. She has, I always want to say crochet and knit because that's mine, like at the end. But she has the most amazing stitch markers. My coffee's brewing. Can you hear that? She has amazing stitch markers. She also has these unbelievable crochet hooks, handmade crochet hooks. She has, we've got so many others of my friends, My Precious Yarnery. You want to check out her shopping trip and to the States. She just posted it today, and it is a fantastic little video showing what at the end of her little thing. I look forward to her videos every day. I really do. I wake up and I look forward to them. Her and of course Linda. I wake up and the first thing I do is watch Linda's videos that she uploaded, and I also watch My Precious Yarnery and Angela. So definitely check them out. Check out V's channel. Check out Ursula's channel at OMGrannySquare. And of course, Melissa Crochets with Love. Melissa went shopping actually with Angela, so you guys are going to have fun watching that as well. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and I will see you on Christmas because that's when we draw for the giveaway. And I'm so excited to share Christmas with my new YouTube family. Thanks so much, guys. Take care. Have a great day.